Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are keeping fine. So, in the next class, we have already started the chapter about sentences, and I have already explained you what is a sentence. So, today we will read about what are the different kinds of sentences. So, my dear students, there are 4 kinds of sentences, that is, a statement, an imperative, an interrogative, and exclamatory. So, what is a statement? A statement expresses a fact or opinion. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Like, for example, Zara is a good student. That is an opinion. Mohit enjoys playing badminton. That is a fact. So the statement always expresses a fact or opinion, means a truth. An opinion means thinking about somebody or something. And the statement sentences always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So next one is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses a request, suggestion, or command. It also ends with a full stop. We often begin an imperative sentence with let's or please. Like, for example, please chew your food slowly. That is a request. Let's not argue about this. That is a suggestion. Fetch a plate from the kitchen. That is a command. So, imperative sentences, it expresses with a word like request or a suggestion or command or order. Like, for example, when we are saying a sentence with the word please or kindly or requesting, that is a request. Or when the word suggestion means we are telling someone, like, for example, maybe we can do these things in this way or the other way. All these things are given by some other people. That is a suggestion. And command or order, like we are ordering something to do the person, etc. So next is interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. Like, for example, is Jara a good student? Does Mohit enjoy playing badminton? We can change a statement into a question by adding words such as is, are, do, or does at the beginning of the sentence. Jara enjoys mathematics. Does Jara enjoy mathematics? Mohit's friends are good children. Are Mohit's friends good children? So, interrogative sentences always ask a question. Question always begins with words such as who, what, why, when, where, how, and how many. So, all these are interrogative sentences, and it always ends with a question mark. Next one is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion and ends with an exclamation mark. We can sometimes change a statement into an exclamatory sentence by using the words what or how at the beginning of the sentence. It is a very hot day. So this word is a statement. So when we will change it into an exclamatory, so the word or the sentence will be what a hot day. Next is you are very clever. That is a statement. And how clever you are, that is an exclamatory. Like, for example, when we are expressing a sudden emotion or sudden surprises, when we are getting some new gifts, we used to say, wow, what a beautiful gift, or what a beautiful dress. All these are expression, all these are exclamatory sentences. So my dear students, today we will stop here and we'll continue with the other topic, with the other kinds of sentences in the next class. Thank you.